Right, very good morning. Okay, so we are in the live streaming section and different options. Try to fix. Okay, so there's an error there. So yeah, what's it saying? Okay, so this here had my camera working for live streaming, and I've been going through all the buttons: tourism, sports, work, etc. And yeah, so things are working. So I will let it do what it's doing. I made a prompt this morning. I wanted something professional. And I also said, you good people were not happy. If you're not happy, I'm not happy. Simple as. So, yeah. It is still writing the live stream section .tsx, and this is the reason why this morning I haven't gone live. Once everything works as intended, I'll publish, and then I'll post a little post telling you all. And eventually I will have to upgrade to, I think it's called Enterprise, but right, so okay, it's saying that is now fixed, the TypeScript error, by removing the invalid JSX. Okay, so let's, there we go. So there we go. Now, this is the test bed, yeah, and at least you can see, yeah. Right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. So you're going to hear both. So I've turned the camera off, and so what it's turned round and saying is live camera function, real-time crypto gifts with 8 different gift types, live earnings counter in BTC if people wish to donate that. I don't think they will, and there's a reason why. I'll come to that later on. The platform is ready for recording, fully functional, yeah. Okay, so that bit works. Right, so I'm going to go to profile. On profile, cannot upload picture of myself. Douche. Now it's working. It's working on that thing. And it's fixing it. Now, it's going to be a work in progress all the way through 2025, 2026. And here's what I'm thinking. What I've just showed you is the test part, yeah? And I think I'm going to have to keep coming in to the test part to do little tweaks. But yeah, I mean, getting there slowly. And this is all to do with adult learning, you know. If it wasn't for you wonderful people who are subscribers, and it's free, it doesn't cost you. This, I think, going forward, is the future, you know, where you want to stream Newcastle content or any other content, as long as it's legal, then you get the choice of earning in crypto or not. It's your choice. Check the camera button. Right, so I'm going to put my picture, white shirt, douche, yeehaw. So on my profile I now have the white shirt. And I've just given it a thumbs up. So yeah, slowly but surely, you know, it has taken time. That is true. But I will say this. Paul Gallant 3675 tries.